Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Plz and I am here to show you how to play guitar. From the beginning, I'll teach you all the chords from A to G, the major chords. Okay, let's start it. How to hold chords A. So first of all, before we come to the chords A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I'll teach you. This is the position or tablature we need to learn first. First position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10, etc. And also strings. From the bottom we have first string, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth string. And finger. This is the first finger, a second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Okay, now I'll teach you how to hold chords A. Okay, chords A. How to hold chords A? Your second finger should be in the fourth string, second fret. Your second finger, fourth string, second fret. See, or second position. This is the first position, this is second position. Okay. Your third finger should be in the third string, second fret. This is the second finger and the third finger, like this. And the fourth finger should be in the second string of a second position. Fourth finger, second string, second position. This is the chords A. This is sound of chords A. Hold it tight. Don't just put your hands here, your fingers here. Hold it tightly so that it will sound like this. This is the chords A. Now we'll come to chords B. How to hold chords B? Your first finger should be in the fifth string, in the fourth string, third string, second string, and first string. With one finger, you need to hold all the strings except this sixth string. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth string. At one go, we'll hold like this, and then your second finger is in the fourth string of fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position. And your third finger is in the third string of fourth position. Third finger is in the third string of fourth position, and your fourth finger is in the second string of fourth position. Fourth finger, second string, fourth fret. So this is how you hold chords B. I know for beginners it's hard to hold a chords like that. All this string with one finger, and then this second, third, fourth fingers, you hold it here. Okay, if you find it difficult to hold like that, I'll teach you one of my ideas how to hold that type of chords. So in that case, how to hold that chords? This finger, second, third, fourth finger, will hold it like this. But your first finger, we only hold the first string in the second position. First string, second position, and also this second, third, fourth finger will hold in the same place. Only the first finger will hold in the first string. This is also B major chord. Sound same only, but there's a bit different because we don't hold the fifth string. Now you have the complete chords B major. But if you find it difficult, you can hold like this also. That's not a problem. It's up to you. You try this one, B major. If you can hold like this, you can hold like this also. Okay. Next we'll come to chord C. Your first finger should be in the second string, first fret. First finger, second string, first position or first fret. This is I hold. Second finger in the fourth string, second position. Second finger, fourth string, second position. And your third finger should be in the fifth string, third position. Third finger, fifth string, third position. This is the chord C. This is how you hold chord C. This is the sound of chord C. Okay, now we'll come to chords D. Your first finger should be in the third string, second position or second fret. First finger, third string, second fret. Second finger, first string, second fret. Your second finger is in the first string, second fret. And your third finger is in the second string of third fret or third position. You can hold it like this. This is a chords D major. Okay. Now we'll come to E major. E major, how to hold E major? Your first finger should be in the third string, first position. First finger, third string, first position. And your second finger should be in the fifth string, second position. Your second finger, fifth string, second position. And your third finger should be in the fourth string of second position. This is the sound of chords E major. This is chords E major. And next we'll come to F major chord. F, this is F major. Your first finger should hold all the strings from the first to the sixth string. You'll hold it tight. And then your second finger is in the third string, second position. Second finger, third string, second position. Your third finger is in the fifth string, third position. Third finger, fifth string, third position. And your fourth finger is in the fourth string, third position. Fourth finger, fourth string, third position. This is the chords F or F major chord. Okay, if you are a beginner, you find it difficult to hold it like that, I'll teach you my idea how to hold F major chord. So if you find it difficult to hold your first finger all strings, you can hold it only two strings. Your first string and second string with the first finger, first position. Hold like this. 1 and 2. Hold it both strings, and then your second finger, you put it same. Third strings, second position. And your third finger is in the fifth string of third position, and then your fourth finger is in the fourth string of third position. This is also chords of F major. This is also F major. But you miss this sixth string. It's okay if you are a beginner and you find it difficult to hold. You can hold like this also. This is optional, okay? And then we'll come to chords G. Your first finger should be in the fifth string of second position. First finger, fifth string, second position. And your second finger is in the sixth string of third position. Second finger, sixth string, third position. And your third finger should be in the first string of third position. Third finger, first string, third position. This is the chords G. Or you can call it G major. G major chord. Those are all the major chords from A to G. I hope you like it. I hope you find it helpful. So if you are new to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed, please share, like and subscribe, and click the bell button so that you won't miss my next video. I'm going to teach you step by step how to play guitar till you can play it by yourself. So thank you so much for your time. See you on my next video.